Hey you guys, it's your girl Elise, and as you can probably tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to determine the size of your lock sleeves just by using your cell phone. So stay tuned and let me know what you guys think. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any lock sleeves updates. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using today, simply for demonstration purposes. I bought this for $3.99 at the beauty supply store. It's just like really typical basic faux lock hair. But I'm using this hair for the simple fact that I can't really place my head on the table and record and measure and do all of that at the same time. So I'm just using this for demonstration purposes today. Alrighty, you guys. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is grab your tablet, which I have, or you can grab your cell phone as well. They both work the same. Go to your Play Store or App Store and download a ruler app. You just want to type in at the top. Let me focus it. I typed in ruler app up top, and this is the list that populated, and this is the particular one that I like to use. I'm gonna go ahead. I already have it installed on my tablet, so I'm just gonna open it from there. This is how the app looks, and as you can see, it measures in inches, centimeters, and you can also change the layout of how you measure. You can measure this way, but I actually prefer to have my measurement along the edge of the screen because it makes it a little bit easier for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my faux lock, lay it along the edge of the screen like so. Make sure that it's all the way completely along the edge. And then I'm going to close up the measuring field to about right there. So my lock is about 1/3 of an inch wide. And that's going to make it easy for me to determine the size lock sleeve that I need to put on top of it. So according to my lock sleeve size chart, this particular lock would take a large width, which would be 5/8 of an inch, and a real long length, which would be 18 inches long. So as you can see, I went on ahead and put that particular lock sleeve right on top. And as you can see, it fits perfectly right on top of the lock. Alrighty, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I pray that it was informative. If you guys are ordering lock sleeves online, this is the quickest, easiest way to determine your size, because as you can see, we have a lot of different lengths, widths, colors, sizes that are available to you guys, and I want to make sure that you're ordering the right size the first time. And don't worry, I'm always an email or DM away. You guys can email me through the website, or you can DM me through Instagram or Facebook. I'm always available for you guys to ask any questions or to express any concerns that you might have before I ship out your orders. But comment down below what you guys think about this video. And also don't forget to hashtag lock sleeves so that you can be featured on our Instagram page. And so that I can see some of the styles and colors that you guys are rocking with your lock sleeves. So until next time, it's your girl Elise signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to share this video with all of your lock loves. Bye.